Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by pulling down the notification shade or control center. Do it now so you don't miss the recording controls. Tap the screen recording notification or icon. This is the fastest stop. If you lock the phone, unlock with PIN or face. The stop command won't appear while the device is secured. Once done, check the small red status bar or floating widget that shows recording is active, because confirming visual cues prevents accidental loss of footage. Now, interact with the on-screen controls. Tap the red status bar at the top or the floating recorder widget. This will reveal the stop button. Press stop in the notification panel if the widget isn't visible. It's the same command, but sometimes notifications are easier to reach. Make sure you wait for the confirmation toast or message that says the clip saved. Once you see that, open Gallery to confirm the file exists and has the expected duration and content. To finish, verify the video in Gallery and play it briefly. This ensures audio and visuals recorded correctly. If no file appears, restart the phone, then check the storage path and available space. Low storage often aborts saves. Make sure Realme UI and any screen recording app are updated, because software bugs can block saving. If problems persist, clear the recorder app cache or toggle permissions. Doing these steps fixes permission and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.